Elaine with Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this fun heart card with the Adoring Hearts bundle. Here is my lovely hearts card using the Adoring Hearts bundle. This is a special bundle that includes dies and an embossing folder. This is a hybrid embossing folder where you can place a die inside the folder and it will not only emboss but also cut out all these little hearts for you. And then this is the piece that I used for my hearts window card. I also used some of these outline dies for the hearts on the card as well. So I started creating the background of this card with Flirty Flamingo ink and a blending brush. And I just started lightly across the card and then a little bit darker in the middle of the card. Now I'm going to use this water painter to splat some water all across the card. It makes all these nice little white marks. And then I'm going to grab some of the Flirty Flamingo ink here and I'm going to move the card out of the way and I'm going to do it again to get some of the Flirty Flamingo splatters on there. All right, now I'm going to color all the hearts with the blends markers. So I'm wearing gloves because otherwise my fingers and hands get super inky. And I'm gonna try to ink up one side a little bit more than the other to give it a little bit of an ombre effect. Now I'm going to use real red to color the outlines that I'm going to put on top of the pink ones that I colored. And I'm going to use the red on these embossed pieces as well. The blending just really brings out the embossing. I put an adhesive sheet on the back of each of these outlines just to make it easier. And then I'm just going to adhere them to the front of these hearts. And then I'm going to stamp to my Valentine just on the bottom of the white right here. So now I'm just going to add the hearts just kind of randomly. And I'm gonna alternate them. And last of all, I'm going to add some of these new gems, the iridescent foil gem. I think they are super pretty. And that is my Adoring Hearts card. When you place a $35 order using my current host code, you can earn this kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Adoring Hearts kit, which includes one of each of these cards.